Hi, Milorad here. I just received this box and I'm going to open, and maybe later on we will talk about it, test it, and I will give my conclusion. And this is outdoor charcoal grill and the pit as well. I'm going to open it and we will probably put it together some other time. Now let's just open the box and see what is in it. Okay, we have some screws and nuts in this. We have user manual. Let me see, I need to probably put it upside down and
pull the box out.
Something like this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This is packaging. Okay, we don't need this now. Okay, here we have this, how we call this part?
That's the grill.
That's the grill,
That's where you're gonna put the
looks
meat.
like stainless steel grill that you actually put your meat or fish or whatever you're grilling. Okay, this is probably for vegetables.
Okay.
In this smaller box, we have some pieces that I need to actually read. And okay, there it is. There's you controlling something.
Air.
There's a little control here.
That's for the air.
For the air. Okay. This is then air fan.
Yes.
Air fan.
Yes.
Huh. I did not know that we need that anyway. This is charcoal grid. This one is charcoal grid. Okay. And then we have number 5 is a reflection plate. This is reflection plate. You need to reflect on yourself.
No, that's when you put the pit.
And this is number 10, bottom air vent plate. That probably goes with this. Okay, now we have some kind of ring. Bottom ball support holder. Okay, now we have
That's the lid, I think.
no, this is a number 7 or 10. No, 7 is charcoal ball. Charcoal ball. And this big one is, oh, this goes at the top. This is the lid.
Okay.
Well, one of these are lid. And one of these are bottom bowl. And one of these is a lid. Okay? Anyway, these are all these pieces that we will need to put together. There's some hardware, screws and bolts, and handles, and also there's some
That's the legs.
legs. Where did we put legs?
It's right there close to you.
Yeah, right here. There's some legs here that will actually hold the whole thing together. Okay, that is for unpacking. We will study this a little bit and some other time we will put it together. For now, that's it. Thank you very much. Please stay for the next phase of outdoor charcoal grill and fire pit. Hi, Milorad here. I am ready to put this grill together, and I hope I don't need tools because I don't have any tools. And first thing is I kind of need to attach these legs to this ring, and this is going to hold a piece of the grill. Okay, our grill is assembled. It was a little bit complicated for no reasons at all. I think they kind of disassemble it for shipping purposes, but they saved just a little bit of space. They should just remove the legs and keep this assembled. It will be much easier for a user to use it. The grill is ready. Now we just need to go and test it by cooking some or grilling some delicious food. Before we do that, we need to buy some charcoal because this is charcoal grill. Hi, Milorad here. After 2 weeks, we are ready to test this outdoor portable charcoal grill. Today is a beautiful day, and it's a special day because it's Mother's Day, and we will do some grilling outside in our backyard. That piece of paper came with
the bag.
charcoal?
Yeah.
Huh.
But this is supposed to...
It must be some kind of special paper.
No, it's because you see this charcoal picks up all by itself. Look at that.
Oh.
I don't need no paper. I just put it in there.
Oh, okay.
But this will... You see how it pick up all by itself?
My wife says it will take about 10-15 minutes for this charcoal actually to burn and be ready. There you how it looks where charcoal is ready. It's kind of changed the color from black to gray, almost white, and it's ready. Master griller says she's going to put some oil on this grilling surface, wired rack. And these pork chops are marinated, and we are just cooking 2 pieces. This is actually just for me to test. Okay, now we will also grill some beef, and looks like beef is ready too from the charcoal grill. There's a pork chop and a little pieces of beef, and we also decided to put 1 jalapeno pepper, because I like hot food, I mean spicy hot, and jalapeno pepper is actually not really spicy, but when it's grilled it's much spicier than if you're eating it raw or pickled as well. Hey, I'm ready to taste. First I have a piece of beef that we cooked on the charcoal grill. Tastes pretty good. After I was eating the second piece of beef that was grilled on charcoal, tastes much better because it has a little bit more fat on it. And there's this jalapeno that when I eat it raw, it's actually nothing, and I'm not even tasting any heat from it. But now when it's grilled, it's hot. Wow. Whew. It's completely different. Jalapeno, raw or pickled, nothing for me. When it's grilled, it's really hot, and I like it grilled. Okay, couple final thoughts about this charcoal portable grill. I think it's pretty good. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. It's kind of small.
Yeah.
And I think it's more suitable for campers.
Mm-hmm.
If you have camper and you go somewhere, it's really good. And you can cook for a family of 4. But what we did today, we cooked for lots of people, and it's kind of small to do that. But for the purpose of portable grill, going out, take it with you with camper, I think it's pretty good.
Yeah.
And what else? As you can see, it's kind of small. It needs to be put on something, otherwise you cannot go down and bend. And we never used this as is it called pit?
Yeah.
As a pit, because there's no need to do that in Texas. It's already hot and you don't spend much time outside anyway. All in all, I think it's pretty good, especially for the price that we paid. I think we paid less than $70. I think it's pretty good investment. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Milorad out.